Chapter 11 is a wonderful tool for businesses, and I just can't say enough good things about Chapter 11, but it does not help real small businesses.
Right.
And one of the biggest problems we have is that a lot of these people that we're talking about have both personal liability and corporate liability. They've created a corporation because their accountant told them it was a good idea 10 years ago. Now we have two entities to deal with. And unfortunately, corporations and other kinds of small business organizations don't qualify for Chapter 13.
Right. Now tell, and again, right before we get to some of these calls, Dexter, tell folks why, again, if you're small mom and pop, why you'd rather go Chapter 13 or Chapter 11. They're both reorganizations. It's not a complete or straight bankruptcy. It's not Chapter 7. You're cashing out, so to speak. You're really trying to
developing a plan.
Stave off. You're going to repay your creditors at a reduced rate. For Chapter 11, it's for the business. Chapter 13 is personal, in broad brushstrokes.
Correct.
But occasionally you have that crossover with mom and pop, once again. And if they could, they'd file Chapter 13 instead of 11. Does it just come down to costs?
It comes down to a couple things. Well, the cost certainly of a Chapter 13 is a lot less. Mm-hmm. But the impediment to go in Chapter 13, of course, is not only the fact that it only applies to individuals, but the debt limits. The debt limits are very, very low. $1.2 million for secured debt, $300,000 for unsecured debt.
Okay.
A lot of people that have small, even real small businesses have more debt than that.